Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate T-Mobile eSIM. Okay, it's really easy and simple. First, turn on your device. Go ahead and do that, and then once you do that, enter your PIN code and then click OK. Now, you're going to choose your language, then click on Start. Alright, here you want to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Agree. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is click on Skip. You don't have to do this one. Now, all your Wi-Fi networks will be listed, and go ahead and choose whatever Wi-Fi network you need. Type in your password and then click on Add. Okay. Now, your eSIM profile is being downloaded. The process can usually take up to 5 minutes. And once this is done, you can come here and click on Don't Copy for copying apps and data. Okay. Now you can go ahead and choose an email or phone number, or you can enter your email address, right? And if you don't have a Google account, you can create one right now. So go ahead and put in your email, put in your password, log in, click here on accept. Now, so this is the protect your phone page. You can go ahead and protect, for example, a fingerprint, right? Go ahead and click on continue. And now you need to choose an option. In this case, you can choose a PIN. You can go ahead and set up your PIN, click on continue, and then re-enter the screen lock code. Now here you can click on register, and then you just lift your finger, place it again on the fingerprint scanner, and repeat this step several times and get up to 100% for your fingerprint. And then I want you to click on next. Now scroll down and click on skip again, click on OK right here. Okay, do that. Now you can skip this for restoring your settings. You can skip and choose skip here as well. Now this is optional. You can come here and click on agree, accept and continue, and then accept and finish. Click on finish, and there you go. Your eSIM will be activated for use, and you should see all the bars available there. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.